big surprise today. Wow, check it out, Amani. It's a big box. What do you think is inside?
A bed.
A bed?
Yeah.
That's not big enough for you. It might be big enough for your baby sister. Hello, Anaya.
Hello, cuckoo.
Cuckoo. Hello. Open it, Amani. Open. Oh, that's loud. After 3. 3, 2, 1. Open it, please.
Oh, we got a ride on.
Is it a ride on?
Yes.
Are you sure? What is it? Let's have a look. Open it. Oh wow! It looks like it's a green quad, guys. 6-volt ATV quad. Check it out. Wow! Hey, who's gonna fit on that? Do you think you'll fit on it?
No, I know. Let me.
Wow!
Let me open it.
Let's open it, guys. Oh! Wow! It's a green quad, guys. Check it out.
Oh, it's heavy.
Whoa, it's a heavy quad. Shall I help you?
Don't hit an eye.
Whoa, Amani, help me. Get it out. Amani, help.
And that is okay.
Amani, ow, ow, ow. Yay! Oh, big quad. Whoa, whoa.
That's a bit strong. Looks already. It's fixed.
What's fixed?
This.
Hey,
It's in the wheels.
who's done that? Whoa, guys, it's actually been assembled for us by the manufacturer.
They put the stickers on.
Oh, that's kind of them, Amani. Oh, it's already working.
We don't need to get it.
Yes. Whoa. Choo choo. Look at that big wheel. Brum, brum.
And now he's in the back. I'm on the rider.
Whoa.
Is she jealous?
She's not jealous. She's saying she wants to play.
Do you want to play on it? Okay.
Whoa. Brum brum. Ah. Crash.
Guys, that's fix the handlebar. Let's tighten the screw. Look. The wheel.
Let's check it out. Oh.
Guys, let's go for a test drive. It runs on here.
Check it out. Brum brum. Show me the backwards. Can you go backwards?
Yeah, I can.
Let's see if it goes backwards. Whoa. Wheel spin. Yeah. Stand up. Stand up. Yeah. Choo choo. Whoa. Check it out. Yeah. Turn it on. Turn it on. Yeah. Can you do a big circle, Amani? Wow. Play with your sister. Hi, Anaya. I think Anaya wants to have a go. Oh no, crash. Do a big circle, Amani.
My baby sister wants to have a go.
Hey, let's see if Anaya can fit on, guys. Hi.
Now she needs to go on the back.
Oh no, let's see if she can have a go on her own. Put her on there, Amani. Go on, press the gas. You put your feet on as well. Choo choo, choo choo. Yay! It's Anaya's turn. Choo choo, choo choo.
You gotta try.
Yay, baby Anaya. Let's go. Amani, can you move out of the way, please? Choo choo. Go on, Anaya, press the accelerator gas. Whoa! Woohoo! Hello! Give away!